In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zendesk ticket status. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each status means, and how to make sure your updates are saved correctly. First, log into your Zendesk support dashboard the way you normally would. Once you're in, go ahead and open the ticket you want to work on. This can be any ticket from your views list, search results, or a link someone has shared with you. When the ticket opens, you'll see the conversation and details in the main area, and the controls for submitting your changes toward the bottom right of the screen. Look closely at that bottom right corner. You should see a button that says either Submit or Submit as New, depending on what you're doing. Right next to this button, on its right side, there's a small downward pointing arrow. This arrow is the key to changing the ticket status. Click that arrow to open a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see the available ticket statuses you can choose from. Let's quickly go through what each one means, so you pick the most accurate status for your situation. Select New if the ticket has just been created and hasn't really been reviewed or handled by an agent yet. This is typically used when the ticket is still in the queue, waiting for someone to properly pick it up. Choose Open when the ticket has been assigned or viewed by an agent, and you're acknowledging that you've seen it and started handling it. This tells your team that someone is responsible for it. If you're actively working on the issue, doing investigation, testing, or troubleshooting, you can set the status to In Progress. This is useful to show that the ticket isn't just sitting there. Work is actually being done. Select Pending when you're waiting for the customer to respond or provide more information. For example, if you've asked a follow-up question or requested screenshots, marking the ticket as pending clearly indicates that the next action is on the customer. Finally, use Solved when the issue has been resolved and you've sent your final response. This means you believe no further action is needed unless the customer replies again. Once you've chosen the correct status from the drop-down, make sure any reply or internal note you want to add is written in the ticket. When everything looks good, click the main Submit button. This saves your changes and updates the ticket with the new status. And that's all you need to do to update a Zendesk ticket status correctly.